What if this painting had a soundtrack? This is a Jackson Pollock, chaotic, violent, unpredictable, so I uploaded it to Melogen.app and hit generate, and it gave me this. I expected chaos. AI gave me elevator music. Okay, we're gonna need to fix that. So I pushed it a little harder. I added chaotic, energetic, aggressive, jazz-influenced. Let's see if AI actually listens. Oh, now we're talking. You can almost feel the paint flying off the brush. That's more like it. But I wasn't done. I wanted to go deeper, more contemporary, more uncomfortable. So I added dissonant, unpredictable rhythms. And yeah, it sounds kind of wrong, doesn't it? But maybe that's exactly the point. This is what contemporary art sounds like. It's not supposed to feel comfortable. What would your favorite painting sound like? Try it at Melogen.app.